Hello dear students, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're doing well, you're studying well. The exams are very close. I'll tell you something which I used to do, and a lot of competitive students who actually pass the examination the first attempt or they get the all India ranks, they do. Okay, so when these competitive students, they see that someone is having maybe some sort of distraction, some sort of bad time in their study, they buckle up. They study more. Why? Because that is the time when pretty much 90% of all the students, they must be having a bad time. For example, let me say that the COVID happened. Okay, so because of COVID, a lot of distraction, a lot of negativity happened, right? Now this negativity affected a lot of students. They stopped studying, they started worrying whether the exams are going to happen or they're not going to happen, right? Now at this time, the students who really wanted to pass, they knew that at this point they can have an advantage because everyone else is distracted. If they study at this time, then they are going to have an advantage over all the others, right? And that is what most of the competitive students do. When they see that there is a disadvantage or a loophole in someone else's performance, it is pretty much affecting 90% of the students who are going to give the examination, so they better buckle up. Same way in Diwali also, when a lot of students might have wasted some time, they might have worked. Okay, the competitive students, they know that there is going to be times when other students are going to take break. They are going to have health conditions. They might get stress because everyone gets stress. Okay, the competitive students, they also get stress. They also have health conditions. They also feel bored. They also need break. But when they feel the need of taking that break, okay, here's what they think. They think that no, we need to have the advantage over others. This is the time to work the hardest. Okay, so they compromise on that break that they need. Okay, or they reduce the time period of break that they need. Okay, they even study when they have bad health. Okay, or when there is functions like Diwali or something else, they still study. When there is stress of COVID, they still study. Okay, when there is stress of the past and the future, they leave all of that baggage aside. They meditate, they leave it on God or the universe, and they get back to study. Every single hour counts. Every single day counts. Every single sacrifice that you make, it counts. Okay, and so you also will have to ensure that you do all of these sacrifices and you make every single day and hour count. Okay, and what's gone in the past, it's gone, forget about it. Now is the day you start doing the best that you possibly can. All right, I hope this video really helps you, and I'm going to see you again in another video. If you have any views, thoughts, comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to read those comments. I would love to reply to those comments. You can also reach out to me on Instagram if you want. This is my Instagram handle. In Instagram also, if you have any doubts, you can message me. Okay, I reply to the messages also, right? And I'm going to see you again in another video. Meanwhile, take very good care of yourself and all the very best. Bye-bye.